Jamaican Home Cooking. Right, if you're just joining, remember to comment, subscribe, turn on the notification for more videos. Alright, everybody can cook if they want to cook. This week we're gonna be doing real Jamaican style curry chicken. Alright, come make we bubble a pot. Right here we have a chicken in the water soaking, and a joke thing. Over here we have a scallion. Right, now with thyme, you know, very good spice. Thyme good for whooping cough and all of those things. Right, we have a curry powder, better pack curry powder. Right, been using this for years now. Good result. Right, we have a pimento seed. Right, very good spice, good for blood circulation. Right, we have a Scotch bonnet pepper, rich in antioxidant. Right, also good for diabetes, cancer. We have a garlic. Right, we have a Irish potato, which is rich in vitamin C and fiber. Right, we have a carrot. Right, curry chicken is not curry chicken without carrot. Over here we have a Cal's white vinegar to get rid of the rawness from the chicken. Right, over here we have a vegetable oil, leader vegetable oil. Right, best oil for cooking though is coconut oil and olive oil is the best oil for cooking. Over here we have a salt. Right, have to cook with salt, not a lot of salt. Alright, so yeah man, let's get cooking. First thing we're gonna do, right, we're gonna clean out the chicken. Right, clean out the chicken. Right, get rid of the skin. Go on to the chicken skin. Alright, so take out the chicken skin. Alright, get rid of that is fat. Alright, get rid of the fat. Get rid of any butter blood that is in the chicken. Get rid of the fat. Alright, don't want any fat. Sometimes the wing have some little feathers leave, you know, get rid of those. Cut up the chicken, right, add some vinegar, get rid of the rawness. those to the chicken. Some pimento seed. I'm gonna wash these and add it to the chicken. Alright, so add our pimento seed. Alright. So we have our salt. Alright, or 1/4 tablespoon of salt, or 1/2 teaspoon. Add our salt. Next thing we're gonna add our curry powder. Most people when they're doing curry, they burn the curry in the hot oil first, right? They don't add it to the chicken, but when I do curry, I add my curry powder to the chicken. The reason being, I want all these seasoning along with the curry to marinate for about 5 minutes, right? It gives the chicken flavor and the curry soak in with all the seasoning in the chicken. So that is how I do it. That is one of my secrets to cooking real Jamaican curry chicken. So we're adding 2 packs. Time to get my hand dirty, right? Right. All that seasoning, so we're gonna mix it up, right? We're gonna get everything together. Alright, mix it up. Smelling really nice already. Right, smelling really good. That is the curry chicken season. Right, proper way. Yeah. Zoom in for a closer look. Right, so there we have it. Season. Properly done. Gonna cover this up and allow it to marinate. Cover this up, allow it to marinate for 5 minutes. Time to light up the dragon. And so put on my dust pot. Yeah, this dust pot. I have this dust pot over 14 years now. Right. So a lot of cooking done in this dust pot, as you can see. It shows. Right. So we're gonna do a cooking, not much. Right, just grease the bottom of the pot. Right, so that's good enough. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna pre-fry the chicken, right? You know, kind of give it a flavor and give it a special taste, right? When you pre-fry the chicken with the curry and the twist, right? So this is a form of burning the curry, but in a different way. It's smelling nice, ready to be re-fried. Ready to re-fry our chicken. Alright, so curry is well soaked in. Take off the seasoning. Put that one in the pot. Here we have it. Right. Turn them over. Right. Pre-fry them for 5 minutes on each side. Right. Looking good. Looking lovely. Looking tasty. You know. When we curry chicken, finger licking. What we seeking, what we cooking, curry chicken, we're not kidding, what we cooking, we curry chicken, boom, finger licking. Coming on great. Right, so time to add our water, right, and remember to keep this on low flame, right. Come on, so seasoning and all of that. Gonna add some water to it and add the mixture to the curry chicken. So this is where all the flavoring and seasoning. So add our water, add about 1.5 cup of water. Alright, so mix this together. Get out all the flavor. Right. Lovely. Add our water to our chicken. Carrot to Irish, our season, everything. Right. But I know how we. Right, so yeah. Stir. Let you in on a little secret. This is brown sugar. Right, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Right, so now you know my chip to curry chicken. Right, so we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar to our curry chicken. Give it a nice tingling taste. Right, so you mix that up. Right, so we're gonna cover that up, half mass the pot and allow it to cook down, right, on medium flame for about 20 minutes and we should be good to go. Yeah man, come on, curry chicken a bubble, right, nice and lovely. look at that. Our curry chicken is ready. Simmering nice. Right. This is it. The Jamaican curry chicken. Alright, so comment and let me know what you think. Right. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification. Alright. Yeah man, so food done cook. You know, time to taste and see what it is like. This is our curry chicken. Yeah man, yes good. Really good, yeah. Big up.